Hello and welcome back to our WordPress development course. This is Create Custom Page Templates and Dynamic Layouts. If it's your first time tuning in, make sure to check out the playlist where we start from the beginning. We install WordPress locally and create our theme from scratch. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll go over creating custom page templates and make them dynamic using WordPress functions. This will allow us to create different layouts for different pages, which is a crucial skill every WordPress developer should know. We'll be learning about template hierarchy, custom page templates, how to apply different templates to different pages, how to use conditional logic to make layouts dynamic, and how to modify index.php to serve as a universal fallback. So first, let's get into understanding WordPress template hierarchies. Let's go to our code. So WordPress automatically selects the right template for different types of pages. The order of priority is a specific template like frontpage.php or home.php, which we created in the previous videos. My first theme. So home.php and frontpage.php are number one in the hierarchy. Second is a custom page template, which we will create today. There's page.php, which is a default template for all pages, which we'll also create today. Then there's index.php, which is a fallback for everything. This means that if a page doesn't have a custom template, WordPress will use page.php, and if that doesn't exist, it falls back to index.php. So first, let's create a default page.php template. Right now, all pages are using index.php as a fallback. Let's fix that by creating a default page template. In our theme folder, my first theme, let's create a new file named page.php. And we want to add the following code. Then save. This is going to display the title of the page, use the loop to show page content, and it loads header and footer automatically. Now every page we create in WordPress will use page.php by default. Next, we want to create a custom page template. Let's say we want a special layout for certain pages like a Contact Us page. We'll create a custom page template that you can apply to any page. In your theme folder, create a new file named template contact.php. Let's do that now. And let's add this code. And let's go ahead and save that. So now that we created template contact.php, let's assign it to a page in WordPress. Let's go there now. Let's go to our dashboard. We want to add a new page, add new, contact. And then here on the right, we see template. We give it contact page, publish. Now this page will automatically use the template contact.php instead of the default page.php. View page. And we do have that here. So right now, we don't see a form, and that's because we don't have Contact Form 7 plugin installed yet. This is just placeholder for now to show that our template is loading correctly. If we want to get this to load correctly, we can go to plugins, add new plugin, search Contact Form 7, install, activate, settings. We have Contact Form 1. We can copy this shortcode, go into our code, add it here, save, then go back to our contact page, view, and we do see our contact form. Next, we want to modify index.php as a fallback template. In our code, we're going to open index.php. So since we've now dedicated templates for pages, which is our page.php file, we should modify index.php to act as a universal fallback for any other type of content. We can leave header, footer, and we'll just rewrite our main section. Let's go ahead and do that now. And we can save that. Now index.php is no longer the main template for pages, but acts as a backup for unhandled content types. Last, let's use conditional logic for dynamic layouts. Let's make our page.php template more dynamic. Let's open page.php and modify some of the code. Let's go into our article here and update it. Let's go ahead and save that. So what this does is if the page is about, it shows a custom message. If the page is services, it shows a different message. You can add custom layouts based on different pages. So our WordPress theme now supports custom page templates and dynamic layouts. So let's create those pages just to make sure that this works, to see if everything is working right. Let's create an about and services pages and see if we get those custom messages. Let's do that now. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to pages, add new page, about, publish. Let's create a new one, add page, services, publish. Okay, so let's view this page. We do see our check out our services below. If I go to about, we do see this is our about page. If I go home, we do see our home page. So our WordPress theme now supports custom page templates and dynamic layouts. Everything is working. Make sure to like and subscribe and enable notifications if you find this information helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.